This demo shows a simulation of a rehabilitation session manager that adapts the difficulty of the exercises based on the patient's performance. It uses reinforcement learning to find the best possible action for each state. The state keeps information about the session, such as exercise ID, exercise level, and how much time the patient has spent on each exercise, as well as the patient's performance. It also uses a pain detection module to detect pain from facial expressions. The patient can also provide the system with their own pain level report by using speech. Since the patient is more likely to quit under high levels of pain, the system adapts the session difficulty to help the patient complete the whole set of exercises, ensuring both safety and good execution of the exercises. The algorithm learns from experience which action is best at each single state. A reward function evaluates the action taken at each state depending on the next state. The reward function quantifies the completeness of the session, the amount of time spent on each exercise, the pain levels, as well as the execution correctness. The goal of the algorithm is to maximize this reward and minimize the number of quits.